Hello everyone, welcome to Crack SAP new video. I hope everyone is doing good. Last many videos I have uploaded and please subscribe, like it and press the bell button. So first I'm starting with how to create a company and how to create a company code and how to create a company code with reference to, or else you can call as a copy with the company code. So now I'm going with the first company. Just go to SPRO, SAP IMG, and go to enterprises here, definition of financial accounting, and define a company. What is company actually? What exactly company? Company, for example, if I have a Tata Group is in a one company. This is a company. It's a group company where multiple companies are coming here. One is Tata Motors, Tata Consultancy, call it TCS, Tata Power, Tata Telecom. These are all the company code. These are our company code here. So one company, one group of company having a multiple company codes. This is the company, and this is the company code, and this is the company code, and this is the company code. This under Tata Group. It's called as a Tata company. This is what now I'm creating a company here. Now I'm going to create a one company called 1822 here, and company name Tata. Take it training demo. Okay, and street Mumbai. Any street you can take it. Now I'm not going to any certain name, and city Mumbai, country IN, and language yen, and currency IN. Then remove the now to create the company. Now I can save here. So already I've saved. This is the created company. This company, it means I have created a 1822 here. 1822 is my company, group company. And the same thing I can create here many company codes. Now I'm going with the company code. Go to company code. Just copy one company code. I'll take a one company code 1810 for example, and 1821 I'm taking. Okay, or else you can take it 20 20. Yeah, I'll go to 20. See, when from company I'm going to copy from 18102 to company code is to 1820. Just taking your time now. So that is a 59% is associated in table tree because of whatever company code is having. Better you go with the copy rather than you are going with the creating the scratch. So it will be recommended to copy one Indian company, and if you want you can make a chart of accounts and whatever required, what is not required, decide it, and then you can make it a yes or no, then it will go to. So for example, let us go ahead with the one by one step. Now I have started with the copy. Now only copy the GL accounts. If you want, allocate the same or chart of account. The target company code is in a source company code. Do you want to copy the GL accounts company data? Yes. If you want, you can go ahead. Otherwise, if you don't want, if you want to different chart of accounts, you can make. So I'll not go with the chart of account. Or if you want, you can go ahead with the chart of account. This is what the chart of account you can start. Yes, I put it yes. So controlling area 0A00 is assigned to company code 1810. Do you want to copy? Yes, I want to copy. So the reference company code is a local currency INR. If you allocate a different currency, then target company code GL account with currency INR is changed. Do you want to allocate the different currency? Yes, I want to change. Now INR. So I put it actually INR only. If you say no, it will be certain data was not copied. Okay, no problem. Just go ahead and just put enter. Now, do you really want to transport the number ranges? If you want to save the number range, you can. If you don't want, now I am going with the new one. So let us go with the new. 24-30%. So it's going on. Now till going to stop in few seconds. 2% is left. Now it is 100%. Now the table MPVC or OC table can only transport it generally. Okay, see log. Go ahead. This is what the transport. I can go ahead. Okay, now my transport is created and I'm going with the save here. So my okay. Do you want to intervals? There is a number of it. So if you want, you can. If you know in the target system, the existing intervals are overwritten when the interval times are changed. The current number state to target the system within the new intervals limit. Any intervals that do not exist in the target system are created here. If there is the interval are here specific or the number range object are buffered in the main memory, then the buffers or target system are not yet reset by the transport. This must be done manually for the number range object in the transport. In S56, do you want to transport the intervals? If you want, you can. No, suggest particularly I don't want anything number ranges. Do you want to transport the intervals? No, now. No. Okay, now it is going to process to final plexer. Number ranges are object. Now you want to yes, I take it yes now and okay, go ahead. Now I have copied this, okay, and GLROC, GI1 certification. These are all changes here. These are number ranges. So I got it yes. So number ranges copied now. Copying now. Number just go and then yes, go ahead with the same now. Okay, and company code, since it's copied to one edge, go ahead. Yes, this company code has been created now. Just I'm going out. If I can see here, if I want to edit company code, select here, right, and change whatever you want, group or a demo for test or anything, you can make it demo company. So, yeah. Okay, so you have changed your description, and now we learn how to create a company and how to create a company code. So this kind of company codes you can create it like this. And if you have any more questions, so I'm going with the one by one with the company create now, company created, and then we are going with the asset. And one more thing I want to show you in the OBY6 for the global company. Here it is. You can see whatever we have assigned is all are here. Yeah, that is copied by the last transactions. Okay, thanks for watching, and like it, press the button on alert. Thank you, and wish you all the best. Good day.